In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a car seat in a Tesla Model 3 and a Model Y. It will apply to all Teslas as well.
So as you notice, this button here represents that there is a clip right underneath here, and this will latch on to the clip.
As regards to timing, this will take just about 5 minutes to apply, and as we see here, this interesting but simple icon will let us know exactly where the clips will be entered into. There's also clips that are located up top. You want to use those as well to make sure that you have those applied if you have a car seat that needs them. This one here does not require that. The backless turbo booster car seat is designed to protect children ages 4 to 10 who are between 40 and 100 pounds and 43 to 57 inches tall. If you need some information in regards to this car seat that we do have, please check the links below.
You hold the clip down,
and they would be clipped in from these two locations.
and once it's slid in, it will be locked so that you could use the seat belt to cross over the car or the toddler. Lock him in, him or her in.
And so from 1 to 5, this is about probably a 2 in regards to difficulty to connect. Once you have snapped into those two locations that we just showed you, you can just use your seatbelt regularly. So this is what it looks like when it's fully connected. Well, there are a variety of styles that you can actually use as regards to car seats. Maybe you have your own personal one. Maybe you're looking for one. The one that we actually use is the Baby Trend Hybrid Plus 3-in-1 booster car seat. Now, if you're looking for one, feel free to check the links below. We'll have that available to pick up. But you have to keep in mind in regard to connecting it, it's a little different. There will be clips at the bottom and at the top. So you want to make sure you use both of those. And this is the lower one. As regards to connecting it, it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you connect the strap going under the armrest and going back through the other side of the car seat under the armrest. You're going to use those clips and you're going to clip both sides into the vehicle, making sure that it's very snug and tight. And once again, keep in mind the armrests are very important. But what about the upper level? On this one, this will connect right up top. We'll see these latches here. Very simple. And this is the diagram that will show you how to connect both upper and lower.
And then you would just take the seat belt and strap it right around this model here.
So we hope this was very instructional and helped you out. Let's continue this conversation in the next video.